class, we have discussed about profiles, DMGR profile and one application server profile and federation. So far we have done with two profiles. Today we will see the third profile, nothing but custom profile. So in custom profile, we will get only product files. We will not get any application servers.
Your voice is low.
Now it is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. The custom profile, we use the custom profile for web server definition, nothing but IHS integration. So in custom profile, we cannot see any application servers, only product files we can see. So after that, once we install custom profile, we can use this custom profile for web server definition, nothing but IHS integration. And the second feature is we can create application servers also in the custom profile. And the third feature is we can create clusters. Cluster means it's a logical group of WebSphere application servers. Okay, so like this three features having the cluster profile. That's why we can customize whatever we want with the custom profile. So now I am going to create the custom profile. This is the third profile under WebSphere application server. This is the third profile, and once we create the custom profile, we can federate this custom profile to DMGR. Okay, so first let me create a custom profile. Go to the installation path, OPT IBM WebSphere App Server 02 and bin directory. Under this we have profile management tool. OPT IBM WebSphere App Server 3 bin directory, profile management tool. Under this we have a configuration script called pmt.sh. Enter. This is WebSphere customized toolbox. Here we have to select the profile as custom profile. So already we have three profiles like DMGR profile and two app server profiles, app server 1 and app server 2. I'm going to create the third profile, nothing but custom profile. Select this custom profile in the list and click on next. Go to advanced profile creation option and click on next. And this is the custom profile name, custom 01, and this is the path /opt/ibm/websphere app server 3 and profile and custom profile 1, and click on next. So this is the node of custom profile. I'm going to change as custom node. Okay, and the host name is localhost only, and click on next. So if you see this option, so in this custom profile we cannot see any application servers. Okay, so that's why it is federating to DMGR. If you observe here, the first option is deployment manager hostname or IP address. So by default it is taking deployment manager profile properties. because there is no application servers, that's why it is asking for federation. Okay, that's why it is showing localhost and deployment manager soap port connector number is 88779. Okay, and the username and password, if you have username and password, we can give. As of now we are not enabled security, so no need to give username and password. Okay, if you click on next, the custom profile will be federated to DMGR profile automatically. Okay, so in this we have one checkbox, federate this node later. So if you check this box, we can federate custom profile manually. If you want automatic federation, disable this checkbox. Okay, so I'm going to disable this checkbox. We will do federation manually. Okay, and then click on next, next, next. This is the properties. It is taking 10 MB space, and profile name is custom profile, and this is not default profile, and profile name is custom node name is custom node 1, host name is localhost, and federate to deployment manager is false because we will do federation manually. That's why I disabled that checkbox. So click on create. It will take 5 minutes time. So profile has been created. Disable this checkbox and click on finish. Now custom profile has been created. Okay, and close this. Verify the repository file whether it is registered with the profile or not. Go back from this path and come out of from this path. Here go to properties. Here there is a file called profile registry.xml. Open this file. Here you can see all the profiles. So custom profile has been created, and this is not the default profile. Okay, so now we have to federate this custom profile to DMGR. Okay, so in this no servers available, only configuration files available. So first we have to start DMGR profile, DMGR server, go to profiles, go to DMGR bin directory and start the DMGR server. So DMGR is started, and go and verify the port number of DMGR cells, DMGR cell, nodes, DMGR node, server index.xml file. So here the admin console port number is 9064. So open administrative console, go to the browser, localhost 9064 IBM console. Before federation, DMGR server should be up and running, because the profile will go and connect with the DMGR server, so port connector. So in that case, it should be up and running. So login, go to system administration. Here, go to cell, to local topology, cell profile, nodes, and here we have two nodes already federated. So now we are going to federate custom node also. So for that, go to custom profile bin directory, custom profile bin directory. The command is /add_node.bat and DMGR server support connector. To check the DMGR support connector, go to this DMGR node, local topology. Here is the port numbers. This is the DMGR server. Go to the deployment manager. Here is the port numbers. Expand these port numbers. Here you can see the support connector address. So the port number is 88885. So give the 8885 here, and DMGR host name also. So /add_node.sh and give DMGR host name and DMGR support number 8885. Now it will be federated. In this process, node agent server will be created. So after that, we can create application servers under custom profile. So it is successfully federated. Let stop the node as end and start it again. Start the node as end again. So node agent is started. Then go and verify cell repository now. Go to cells and go to local topology, and here is the cell. Expand this nodes. Here I can see the custom node also federated. Okay, so if you expand this, here servers, under the servers we have only node agent. Okay, so now I am going to create application server under custom profile. So go to servers and server type application servers. Here already we have 4 servers under node 1, and under app server node 2 2 servers, and node 4 2 servers. So I'm going to create a new server now. Click on new. Here we have to select the node. So in which node we want to create application server. So already already three nodes are federated. Two are application server nodes, one is custom node. So I'm going to create the server in custom node. So select the custom node and give server1 is the server name, and click on next. Click on next. Here select the default only, that means WebSphere default server template. Okay, and click on next, next, and finish, and saves the configuration here. Save the configuration, and now start application server. So select this server and click on start. The server could not be started. We have to restart DMGR first. Go to restart DMGR for synchronizing app server node and DMGR. Go to the profiles, DMGR profile, bin directory, stop manager.bat. Start manager.sh. to refresh the console. Go to application service. Now try to start the server. Select the server and then click on start. So like this we can create number of servers under custom node. This is one feature of custom profile, and another feature is we can integrate IHS IBM HTTP server to custom node. That is second feature. We will see that part in the further classes, and we can create the clusters under custom node also. So this thing also we will see in future classes. So as of now, just create the application server profile under custom node, then start and start using. Okay, so now the server is started. Okay, so any doubts till now?
Why we are using custom profile for application server?
Sorry.
Why we are using custom profile for application server? We have app server one and two other one also, right? We created profiles, right?
Yes, we can use. This is a feature. Custom profile is the feature.
Okay. But we can able to use other profiles also, right?
Yeah, other profiles also you can use. But this is the one type of profile under WebSphere. So these three are the features of custom profile.
And while
Okay.
while we creating custom profile, if I host name deployment manager, we will use local host. Suppose
Ah.
my it's like a host name having different name, can I use that one, or every time I want to do local host only there?
Here localhost means DMGR host. Whatever the DMGR host we have to use that host name. So suppose the DMGR server is hosted in another server, we have to give that host only. We cannot give local host. So
No,
whatever the
what I'm
DMGR host name, we have to specify that host name here.
now what I'm saying is on my system I created like a deployment manager initially, right? My system name is KTSRV03, but when I'm giving
Okay.
custom file, I want to give like my server name or like local host name. I want to give only local host.
Localhost we can give. Localhost is I mean independent. We can give localhost is the default name, and if you have different host name we can give that also. So
But when,
before giving the host name, here type host name first. Okay, so
okay,
here it will display the host name. Whatever the host name it is displaying, give this host name there. Okay,
okay.
you have different host name for your server, so that name you have to give before, I mean while you are federating any profile.
But when I'm giving my server name, it's saying unable to connect.
That's what the server here IP address we have to give or localhost we have to give. Okay,
So
your server is local server only. Your server is not remote server, right? So for local servers we have to give localhost only. If it is remote server, then we can give host name of that server or IP address of the server.
okay. Now when I'm giving like my server name, it's saying unable to connect. I didn't check with IP.
Check with IP or localhost. It will be connected. No problem. Okay. So as of now we have covered 3 profiles, and the fourth profile is DM cell profile. So in cell profile we can see 2 profiles again, like application server profile and DMGR profile with federation. So no need to federate that. Okay, so now we will see that also. Okay, so now I am going to create cell profile. OPT, IBM, WebSphere, App Server 02,
Uh,
profile management.
Ram, you just kill something. So to create a cell profile, we have to kill the existing profiles.
No need, no need. Because see already, I mean node agent and one application server, one DMGR profile, three processes are running in my machine, right?
Right.
So it will be slow. My system RAM size is only 2 GB. That's why I killed for better performance.
Okay.
We can generally we don't kill for better performance, for executing the next profiles and all. I'm just killed.
Killing it. Okay. Okay.
There is no dependency. We can run whatever we want.
Out of there are so many profiles, right? Out of all the profiles, what is the standard profile that most of the organizations use at an organization level?
Here we use DMGR profile and App Server profile and custom profile. So these 3 profiles we use for centralized administration. DMGR profile, yeah.
Clustering is pretty much it's given. Every organization maintains the clustering, right? For
cluster is nothing but it is cluster we can create under application server profile. It is a group of application servers.
Oh, okay. But we said node is a group of application servers, right? So what is the relation between these two? You said node is also a logical group of application servers.
Yeah. So under node we have created two servers as of now.
Right.
So that means it is a group, right?
Right. Then where is the cluster coming from? Cluster is above the node or below the node?
Under node.
Under node.
See, already we have created 2 application server profiles per node. So if you want to create the cluster under the node and add those 2 servers in the cluster.
So under the node, if they have like 8 servers, you can create 2 clusters and divide that into 4 and 4 for each cluster. Oh.
Yes. In this profile, in cell profile, we will get one DMGR profile and one application server profile with federation. So the advantage of this profile is no need to create these 2 profiles separately, no need to federate. So we will get all the things at a time. Okay, that is the advantage of this profile. The only there is no difference. If you create individually, if you federate, so those configurations same, and if you create cell profile, that configuration also same. Okay, here choose cell profile and click on next. Go with advanced profile creation, click on next. And here if you observe deployment manager profile, so it is deploying administrative console. This is recommended. And deploy default application. So these applications are installing in application server profile. So this is console is deploying in DMGR profile. Okay, select these two are mandatory and click on next. Here DMGR profile, already I have one DMGR profile in my system, that's why it is showing DMGR02, otherwise it will show DMGR1 only. So it will take that name by default by searching the operating system. Already my system have already one profile with DMGR name, so that's why it is taking 02, and app server 1 and 2 already there. So now for app server it is taking 03, and this is the profile path. So in this profile, these two profiles are in this path, these two profiles are going to be created. Okay, and click on next. Here DMGR server node name and host name and application server host name and cell name. So everything we can see here, and then click on next. Disable the security and click on next. Next. Here these are all the port numbers for deployment manager ports. So in left side these are all the default ports, and these are recommended port numbers. So 9060 it is giving for DMGR profile, DMGR server, and secure port is 9045, and SOAP port number is 8882, and click on next. And these are all the port numbers for application server profile, application server profile port numbers, and click on next. So here run the deployment manager as a Linux service, so no need of this. Then click on next and create. It will take 5 to 10 minutes time, because two profile has to be created and with federation, so no need to federate manually.
Hey Ram, one quick question. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, previously we installed like a DMGR one profile and management profile, like application one and custom profile, and again we are installing now this one cell manager one. For this one cell manager, again it is showing ports. These ports are different from previous one, or the same ports again when you are installing it with the same ports?
Port numbers are different for each and every server. Port numbers are different because operating system never listen the same port number with the two servers. Okay, operating system will decide the port numbers. So what are the port numbers are existing, it will not take. Okay, it will take new port numbers. So by default we will get recommended port number by operating system.
What
Yeah, tell me.
is the path for the server index .xml?
It is under node. Go to config, go to profile config,
Okay.
cell name, cells, cell name, node name. Under node name, we can see server index.xml. It is taking a lot of time to create. Profile is created. Let me start DMGR server under this profile. First go and check the registry.xml file. Go to properties. Check the properties file. VI space profile registry.xml. Here we can see the cell profile. So here we can see app server 3 and DMGR2. So that means two profiles are registered. So and once we verify, go and start DMGR2. DMGR02. Profiles. Under this we have DMGR2. DMGR2. Go to bin directory and start manager. కింద సిగ్నల్ రావట్లే. వద్దు వస్తున్నా ఇంకెంత 10 నిమిషాలు సొంతగా ప్రవర్తించుకో. So DMGR server is started. Open administrative console. 906G9062 is the port number. Localhost 9062. Login. Go to the system administration cell and check the local repository, local topology, There you can see the application server node is federated with the DMGR node. Go to local, expand this local nodes. Here we have two nodes, DMGR node and this is observer node. And if you go this servers, expand this servers, DMGR server is there, and expand this localhost and servers, server 1 is created and node agent also created. So that means federation also has been done. Now go to the servers and click on server type, go to application servers. Here you can see only the server under node 1. So it is not it will show unavailable because node agent not started. If you want to start application server, in that case node agent should be start state. Okay, so without node agent we cannot start application server. So now start node agent first. Come out of from this profile and go to app server 03 under, go to bin directory, start node. That means starting node agent. So once the node agent is started, then we can start application server from the console. Sometimes node agent itself starts the application server. If it is not started, we can start from the administrative console. Node agent is started. Now the status is showing stopped. Now start the server. Select the server and then start. So this is cell profile. Okay, so as of now we have covered 4 types of profiles. First one is DMGR profile for management, and application server profile for deploying the applications, and custom profile, and now cell profile. So 4 profiles is covered. In the next class we will see admin agent profile and job manager profile. So admin agent profile and job manager profile, these 2 profiles are also for management only. Okay, so these advantages and profile creation we will see in the next class.
Same time, right? Same time tomorrow?
Yeah, same time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm stopping here. We will meet tomorrow the same time, 8 o'clock IST. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Bye. Vasu, Hello, Vasu.